Hi everyone and welcome to Z&Z. So before we get started, I want to explain exactly what this company does and what it is. This company promotes trial offers for big companies like if you've ever seen a GameFly commercial or a DirecTV commercial or ABC Mouse commercial. Well, those companies like DirecTV, commercials are not the only way of them advertising their business. They also advertise through companies like Z&Z. So they pay companies like Z&Z to promote their trial offers, and Z&Z pays us as the people. They hire people to promote those trial offers for them. Again, this is completely free. This doesn't cost anything whatsoever. Okay, so don't worry about cost. There is no cost. All right. So the first step to getting started is very, very simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, so you come down here. You have two options. As you can see here, step one, you have two options. You get paid through PayPal or you get paid through check. All right, you get paid through PayPal or you get paid through check. All right, checks pay out every Wednesday, okay, of the week. PayPal pays out daily. And for those of you who don't have PayPal or don't understand anything about PayPal, PayPal is the fastest payment processor in the world right now. If you've ever been to like Dollar General or other stores, a lot of those stores now are actually, if you've ever checked out, if you ever bought something from one of those stores and you actually swipe your card, if you'll see an option, it'll say PayPal. So a lot of these stores are actually accepting PayPal now. So it has become one of the world's fastest money processing company in the world. Okay, so they actually pay out the fastest. If you decide to get paid through PayPal, you will get paid daily. You get paid every single day. I've been doing this for 4 years now, and this is the most easiest way to make money. Literally, the most easiest way to make money online. All right, and again, it is completely free. Completely free. I'm going to be showing you some payment proof to show you that this actually does pay before this presentation is over. I'll be showing you that. Okay, so again, PayPal is the fastest way to get paid. For those of you who don't know anything about PayPal, down below this video, you'll see there'll be a link to where you can click on it, and it shows you how to set up a PayPal account. Again, a PayPal account is completely free, and it also shows you how to go ahead and order your PayPal debit card. Okay, that is also completely free. Okay, so all this stuff is completely free, and it's very easy. It's very simple. All right, so the first step, you're going to pick your payment option. I would suggest picking PayPal. It's the fastest way to get paid. If you want to get paid through check in the mail, that's fine. They pay out every Wednesday. All right. Step two, you come down here and you put your email here. And you're going to click on sign up. Make sure it's a real email. This is a legitimate company, so if you put a fake information in, they will put your account on hold. All right, so go ahead and put a real email in there. Click on sign up. It's then going to take you to a page. It's going to ask you for all your information, your name, your phone number, your address, all your basic information that any company would ask of you. And then from there, it's going to take you to your status page. And I'm going to go there. Let me log into my account now so I can show you what that looks like. Again, for anybody who's unemployed and not working, this is the fastest and easiest way to make money. And on top of it, it's free. So why wouldn't you want to do it? All right, so I'm in my status page now, and as you can see, you have completed. There is a basically a one-time setup you have to complete, which takes you literally 10 minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes to do. All right, so when you come down here, you'll see this is your referral link. This is basically when anybody wants to join under you, just pass them out this link. That's all you have to do. Give them the link. Which you really won't have to do because we are actually giving you a website. The website that you're on now, you're going to get your own website with your own picture, your own phone number, just like you see on this site that you're actually watching this presentation on. You're going to get this same website for you from the company completely free. Okay, so you're going to get one of these completely free. So you can go ahead and use your website to your advantage. All right, so basically. All right, so this is your referral link. All right, let's see. Let's come up here to now. The first thing you want to do, as you see here, it says your offer status. You have completed 1.00 out of 1.00 required offer credits. So you come up here to offers. All right, and as I was saying before, ZNZ is a company that promotes trial offers for companies like ABC Mouse, Click My Score, all these different companies, DirecTV, Experian, Walmart, GameFly, GoDaddy. Okay, everybody knows GoDaddy. Everybody knows Walmart, Target. All these are well-known companies. Okay, so basically, the one time setup thing that you would have to do is, as you can see, me myself, I completed. It says credited. I was credited one credit. Okay, and how I did that was, again, you have options. Again, this is free. You have the choice of actually paying a couple dollars to do this faster, or you can do it for free. All right. So basically, all you have to do to start become commission qualified, it's real simple. All you have to do is literally get 1.0 required offer credits, and again, you can do that free. As you can see, by simply trying out a couple trial offers, that's it. You become commission qualified, and then you're now able to promote this to others and share this with others. Promote these offers to others, and it's very simple. It's not like you're asking someone to do a whole bunch of different offers. They can literally do. I mean, literally, if someone was willing to pay to try out, let's say ProBioSlim, okay, they pay $2.99, and that gives you your one credit. So by a person just trying out this trial, I mean, you can ask your friends, your family, anybody. You're gonna get paid for that. Okay, you're gonna get paid for that for every person that does that. All right, so as you can see here, 1.0, that gives you 1.0. Again, you don't have to do that. That's a 2.99. But when you're promoting it, you can. I mean, it's very easy for anybody to get their one credit. And every time someone does that, tries to offer to get one credit, guess what happens? You get paid for that. You get paid. All right. Now, as I was saying, for you to get in free, it's very simple. There's free offers here. Okay, ABC Mouse. A lot of you know, if you have children, this is great to get for your children. Okay, ABC Mouse is great. All right, this one credits 0.40. Okay, remember, all you need is 1.0 one credit. That's it, one credit. It's free. This is free. This is a 30-day trial. You have 7-day trials, 14-day trials, and 30-day trials. That's simple. It's broken down in three: 7, 14, and 30-day trials. And another thing, so basically, you get to try this out for 30 days completely free, and you can go ahead and cancel it. Down below, you'll see this video. There says list offer list, and if you click on that, that gives you a list of the offers that we suggest that you do, and it also tells you when to cancel these offers, so that way you don't get charged anything. Okay, it's very it's so simple. All right, so ABC Mouse, as you know what ABC Mouse is an early learning academy for kids. As you see, ages 2 to 7. You try it for free for 30 days, and you cancel it before the 30 days is up. You cancel it on the 28th day, the 27th day, and you don't get charged anything. That's it. They're free trials, so you can get 0.40 here. You can literally get in free. Okay, try Click My Score. That gets your free credit score. You get check your credit. Okay, check your credit. This is a 7-day trial. You cancel it on the 5th day, and guess what? You don't get charged anything. Okay, so it's very simple. By completing these two, that's it. You're able to start making money. You're able to start promoting this, and again, this is a one-time process. You never have to do this again. So I mean, it's gonna take you literally. I mean, it'll take me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to do 2 offers. That's it. That's all it takes, and you're done. You're in, and you can start earning. And I'm gonna show you, like I was saying before, I'm gonna show you proof that you do get paid. I've been working for this company for 4 years now. 4 years. So again, you have free. This is free. You try this out. Okay, this is a 30-day trial. You try it out for 30 days, and again, you cancel it before the trial's up, and guess what? You don't get charged. You cancel it. It's free. Okay. So example, if I were to click on one of these offers here, I click on ABC Mouse. It's going to take me to another page. All right. I just want to show you this here. Prepaid gift cards are not allowed. Okay. As you know, it's no different from Netflix. If any of you have ever tried Netflix, you know that you try out the trial for 10 days. Okay, you have to put your card information in to try out the trial, right? It's the same thing as Netflix. This is no different. Okay, so basically, when you try the trial, you put your card information to try the tryout for example for ABC Mouse, and you cancel it before the time's up, and you don't get charged. All right, so it's that simple. It says down here, please note, unless otherwise stated, use of anything other than a valid credit card or bank issued debit card is prohibited and will be invalid credit. So basically, you can't use any prepaid cards whatsoever to put on file. There's no prepaid cards allowed to put on file. It has to be a debit card from the bank, or it has to be a valid credit card. All right. And again, like I said, if you've ever tried out Netflix, you know when you try Netflix out, you have to put your card information in, and I think it is a 10-day trial. And if you want to keep it after the 10 days, then they charge you $10 a month. Same thing here. These are the same type of offers, same type of trial offers, same thing. Okay. You just cancel them before your trial's up, and you don't get charged anything whatsoever. It's that simple. So you basically go ahead and continue with this offer. You finish that offer, then you would go back up here, and you go back to the offer page, and you just click on refresh. Right here, the button that says refresh. It'll refresh the page, and it'll show here. It'll say ABC Mouse. It'll say you've been credited 40 credits, and then all you have left is 60. So you can do Click My Score. You can do GameFly. I mean, there's different offers you can do. Okay, Texture. Okay, so all those are all free offers again. And again, down below we have a list of offers that we suggest that you do that way to make sure that you get credited, and make sure those are just the best offers from experience that we have, bringing people into this process. It's just from experience, the offers that we really like. So those are the ones that we suggest to you. But you can literally do whichever ones you want. Now, if you want to spend a couple bucks, if you want, this is optional. Again, this is like I said, this is free. This is an optional. This is an option. If you want to just do one offer and don't have to worry about doing two offers or three offers, guess what? All you do, find an offer. You have Pro BioStim. Again, we have a list of offers down below this video. All right, do this $2.99. You try this out. It's a 14-day trial. Okay, that's all stated down below when you click on list of offers down the button down below this presentation. You'll see it there. We have everything set up. It has phone numbers telling you, showing you what the phone numbers to call to cancel these offers. Everything's already set in place for you, so we make it real easy for you. And also, on top of that, you not only are you going to get your own website, but you're also going to get training. Okay, you're going to get training on how to do this. All right, there's a whole website in place, a training website to show you exactly how to make money with this. It's very easy and very simple. All right, so again, if you want to do this faster, this is optional, as I was saying. Like if you would do something like Pro BioStim, $2.99 gives you your full credit, and you'll be done. Done. You literally spend $2.99 and you'll be done. It's one offer, and then you just cancel it for the 14-day trial's up, and you never get charged. It's that simple. Okay, so you have options there, or you can do a couple dollar ones, or you can add a dollar one in with the free ones if you want. Do maybe, Click My Score and $1 one, or you can do ABC Mouse and a dollar one like this, Bolt. So again, it's real easy. Either way it goes, whether you do it free or you actually pay $1 or $2, it's once you're done, you're done. You are commission qualified, and now you can now start earning. All right, and I just want to go ahead and also, if for whatever reason an offer does not credit you, for example, let's say you do an offer, okay, and it doesn't credit you. All right, if it doesn't credit you, there's a way. It's called how to submit an MCR. You have to submit an MCR, which is a missing credit request. There's also a button down below. If you click on it, it takes you to a short video that shows you how to submit a missing credit request. It's only a 5-minute video. So for whatever reason, one of these don't credit you, you can submit an MCR, a missing credit request, and they're going to credit you within 1 day. All right, within 24 hours. So you're going to get credited either way it goes. All right, so now remember, after every offer you do, you're going to come back and refresh the page to make sure that it's refreshed. But really, you only have to do that twice, because at most twice, because you don't have to do more than 2 offers to finish this. I mean, literally 2 offers and you're done. Or if you want to do one, pay a couple dollars and do one, you can. You have Pro BioStim, or there's a couple offers you can do and get credited. GoDaddy, 1. So again, or you can do 2, all right, and not spend any money whatsoever, or you can just add $1 one in with one of the free ones and spend $1. I mean, it's completely up to you. but you have your option of getting in completely free. All right, so basically, let me go ahead and show you now. Again, like I was saying, there is training is provided. Once you're done, down below, you'll see that have my photo there. I am your success coach, or whoever you're seeing this from. Okay, whoever you're seeing, you'll see down below it says, "Contact your success coach for training." Okay, so it has that person's photo along with their phone number. So you want to go ahead and contact that person as soon as you finish this process so they can go ahead and give you training. All right, so now that we went through everything, that's it. That's it. It's that simple. I'm going to go ahead and show you payment proof now, show you that this actually does pay. Okay, hi. So if you ever want to find out, before I show you payment proof, I just wanted to show you this. If you ever want to find out if a company is a legitimate company, there is a place that you can go to and find this out. Okay, and I wanted to share this information, this valuable information, with everybody that's watching this presentation. Okay, so if you go to Scam Advisor, I'm going to type that in. As you can see, it popped up on the top, scamadvisor.com. All right, click on it. All right, and if you come and put the website name of any company here, it'll tell you how safe it is. It says check how safe a website is to buy from. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in Z&Z, which is Zip Not a Zilch. Let's type in Zip Not a Zilch.com. All right, let's go ahead and search that. Check it now. Okay, it says please wait a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, high trust rating. This site looks safe to use. All right, this site Zip Not a Zilch has 100% trust rating. Looks safe, 100%. Okay, what this is basically, if somebody works for a company, an online company, and they don't get paid for some reason, they don't get paid, and they report it. When they make these reports get sent to Scam Advisor. Okay, and that will make a company's trust rating go way down. Okay, and if anything, I mean, to be honest with you, I wouldn't mess with anything that's even close to the orange area before even the red. To be honest with you, so for Z&Z, for Zip Not a Zilch to have 100% trust rating, that is unbelievable. That's amazing. That means that everybody that's working for this company is getting paid. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you that before I went ahead and showed you payment proof. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you payment proof now. Okay, everybody, so I'm here in my PayPal. As you can see, if I'm up here scrolling, you can see my mouse moving. Okay, I'm on my PayPal account. I'm in my PayPal account right now. Okay, so as you can see, payment received, sent by Zip Not a Zilch, LLC. Okay, payment sent to onlinemarketer1987@gmail.com. That's my email. That's one of my emails. Payment sent from support at zipnotazilch.com. So as you can see, amount received $81, and that was my earnings from today. And I actually only worked 4 hours today because I had things to do with my family, so I just didn't have time to put in a full 8-hour day. Again, this is another great advantage from working from home, is that you're not working on anybody's time, so you can work when you want to work. There is no requirements. There is no set time, so you're not required to work 8 hours a day or 6 hours a day. You can work what you want to work. The more you work, the more money you make, basically. So I mean, today I just didn't have time to work a 4-hour day, but when I do, I'm making anywhere from $160 to $200 a day. When I'm working anywhere from 8 to 10 hours a day, that's around how much I make, and I do it from home. So again, it's very easy to make money from home. This is a great opportunity for anybody, and again, it's free. All you have to do is complete a couple trial offers, which is nothing. Again, it's free. So I mean, why wouldn't you want to benefit from this great opportunity? Okay, so basically, I made this. I think on average, I had, I think it was 6 people try the trial offers, and I made $81. All right, So on average, I'm usually anywhere from 12 to 16 people a day are trying these trial offers. And again, all the training is provided to show you exactly how to do that. It's very simple and it's very easy. So for those of you that are interested and really want to start start making money, you're not doing anything, you're at home, you can start making money today. Okay, and the thing about it, this is not only if you don't have a desktop computer, if you don't have a laptop, that's fine. You can do this all off of your mobile smartphone. This can be all everything that I showed you in this video can be done on a smartphone. Okay, so again, here's some payment proof for today, just to show you that this does pay, and this company really is paying people. So, and I've been working for them for 4 years, and I've been able to support my 4 kids. I've been able to support my wife. I've been able to support my bills, my house, my car. I mean, everything. I've been able to do all that through this company. So, for those of you that are looking for a legitimate way to make money from home, then this is it. This is definitely a legitimate way to make money from home. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and end this video, and I'm gonna show you the before you get started. Okay, where it says down below, it says join here, or click here to join. I can't remember what it says, but it'll say one of those. Basically, you want to set up for. Or actually, I can go ahead and show you how to do that now. Basically, you want to set up Firefox. All right, so I'm gonna click here. Let me get out of this. All right, so you want to go to Mozilla. You want to go to Mozilla.com, or Mozilla, I think it is .com. All right, Mozilla.com. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I know that's how you spell it. Definitely how you spell it. Okay, so whether you're doing this on your mobile or you're doing this on your computer, I'm going to show you how to download this on your computer. Okay, so if you're doing it, on your mobile phone. Sorry about that. On your smartphone, if you don't have a computer or a laptop, I'm going to show you how you download Firefox onto your phone. And this is the recommended browser when you're completing your offers. Those 2 offers you have to complete are 1 offer. You want to, before you log into your ZNZ account, you want to make sure that you're in Firefox. You want to use Firefox browser. And what that does is that makes sure that basically almost guarantees that your offer is going to credit you, and you won't have to worry about having to deal with submitting a missing credit request. All right, so make sure you download Firefox and use Firefox browser when completing this whole process. Okay, very simple process, but make sure you download Firefox first and use Firefox browser to complete this process. Okay, I'm going to go ahead real quick and show you. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to go ahead and download Firefox on mobile. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you how to download Firefox from your mobile device. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to your Play Store, to my Play Store. If you're doing this on iPhone, this is an Android phone, so you have a Play Store. If you're doing this on iPhone, of course, it's gonna be in your App Store. All right, so what I want to do is basically, let me get out of this. Okay, I want to come over and just click on Firefox. Just type in Firefox here, and you see, like on the one I was showing you on the desktop, on the laptop. All right, you'll see that it says Firefox browse freely. That's what you want to click on, Firefox browse freely. Okay, and all you do is install it, and then you just use it when you're going to browse. Okay, when you're going to go through and log into your ZNZ account and do your offers, you just go ahead and you would go ahead and log into it. Okay, you would go ahead and use this browser to complete your offers, and that's it. It's that easy. And again, the whole process can be done. Everything that I showed you in this presentation, from the beginning till now, everything can be done on your mobile device. So you don't have to have a laptop or a desktop computer to be able to make money, to be able to work for this company. You can do it off of your smartphone, completely everything off your smartphone. So again, that's another great reason why this company is great, because you don't have to have a desktop, you don't have to have a laptop. You can do everything off your mobile phone if you wanted to, if you wish to. Okay, so again, this is a great opportunity for anybody looking for a legitimate work from home job. And for those of you that are ready to get started, go ahead and click down below, get started, and when you're done, contact me or contact whoever you see down below that you're success coaches, and give us a call, and we will get you trained so you can start making money. All right. So I hope to hear from everybody soon, and I wish everybody a great day.